finished up. It's got all Hanico LED panels in. This is for Fidstop out at Springfield. And then for a little bit of effect, we put behind their Fidstop logo, the standoff logo, we put an LED strip lighting. Just the 5 watts a meter Hanico LED strip kits, and come up mint. Guys, down at the Fidstop at Newstead. So the recent fit out we did with some Hanico downlights. So got the entry, and we got 18 of the Aurora circle fittings, 18 watters, all on dimmers. So for this entry part. Again, for the main gym, we've got the Aurora circles. They're a 35 watt fitting. Ended up having 16 installed based on a design that was done for us from Hanico. All dimmed. What we were really impressed with these was you can dim them nearly all the way down and out without any flickering. So we were super pumped on that. As always, we threw a little bit of feature lighting in above the bulkheads with just 5 watts a meter strip kits that you can get, and for a bit of effect.
And last but not least, we've got a 120 watt Hanico Skypad just round out the back of the house. Thank you, Hanico.